Hey everyone, today we're gonna learn how to whiten yellow teeth in our photos. So let's get started.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started.
For the first technique, we're gonna use Hue and Saturation adjustment layer to make the teeth white. So with your photo opened in Photoshop, click on Adjustment Layers button and select the Hue and Saturation. Now the easy way to do this is to click on this hand button, then click and hold on the yellow part of the teeth and drag the most to the left. This will decrease the saturation of the yellow color, as you can see. Now you just have to play with these sliders based on your photo to make the teeth look more natural. Now the problem is that this adjustment layer affected the whole photo. And as you can see, we lost a lot of color on the skin, which we don't want to. So the solution is real simple. We already have a mask for this layer. You only need to paint white on the teeth and black on anywhere else. So click on the mask, fill it with black, and then with a proper brush just paint white on the teeth. By the way, you can use Alt and Backspace to fill the layer with the foreground color and Control and Backspace to fill the background color, which I use right now. And one more thing to learn about the Hue and Saturation layer is that you can use these sliders to select the range of the color that you want to be affected. So that's it with the Hue and Saturation. As you can see, the results look pretty good and the process was very simple. Now for the next method, we're gonna use Camera Raw filter. First, make a copy of the main photo layer by Ctrl J keys. Then right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object. Then from the filter menu, select Camera Raw filter or just press Ctrl, Shift and A keys. So in the new window, from the color mixer section, click on the Saturation tab. Here you can adjust the sliders manually or just click on this button and then click and drag on the yellow parts of the teeth. It will automatically adjust the sliders related to the color of that part. Then click on the Luminance tab and repeat the same process. This time drag to the right to make the teeth brighter. Then click on OK. Now same as the Hue and Saturation layer, we need to mask out the filter on the skin and other parts of the photo. So click on the filter mask, fill it with black and paint white on teeth. So that was the second method. You can use whichever you like for your beautiful photos. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. That would be awesome if you subscribe to the channel and tell me what tutorial you want me to do next in the comment section. Thank you for watching.